Hello, I'm Paul and I'm going to the park. Come along and I will give you some tips on how to cross the street safely. The most important thing is that we must always use the crosswalk, which is the designated area for crossing the street. Here are the signs that identify crosswalks. On the road, you can see them marked like this. Although pedestrians usually have the right of way at crosswalks, we must always look for cars and make sure that the drivers see us and stop before we cross. When there is no traffic light, we stop on the sidewalk without stepping on the road before crossing. First, we look to the left, then to the right, and to the left again to make sure no cars are coming. If all is clear, we walk straight, without running, but without delay. When there is a traffic light at the crosswalk, we need to pay attention to its signals. With the pedestrian light green, we cross. If the green light starts blinking while we are crossing, we must go faster to get to the other side as soon as possible. If we have not started crossing and the light blinks, it is better to wait until it turns green again. Remember to always look in all directions, even if the light is green, and make sure the vehicles have stopped before crossing. If the traffic light is red, it means that cars have the right of way, and we must wait. When there is a police officer directing traffic, we must follow their instructions and wait until they say we can go. If you are about to cross the street, but a large vehicle blocks your view of the other side, stop. Make sure it is not going to move and that the driver sees you. Then, carefully, peek out to check that no more vehicles are coming from behind. Only cross when you are sure the cars have completely stopped. Also remember, if a car appears suddenly, it is better to stop, and if you can, quickly return to the sidewalk. If the car cannot brake in time, you could have an accident. If ambulances or police are coming, we look to see if their emergency lights and sirens are on. In this case, we stop and let them pass. When we cross the street, we put away our mobile phones and turn off the music to stay safe and attentive. If you see someone crossing incorrectly, do not follow them. Thank you very much for listening. By following these tips, walking in the streets is much safer.